Hi, Minh9, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hi. Is that your brother?
Yeah.
Is he naughty? Hmm?
Yeah.
Is he? Okay. Um, we're going to do some more vocabulary. We did last time, we did the first two parts, so I'm just going to do part 3 and 4 now. No, we didn't do this. Okay. Timetable. Timetable.
Timetable. A list that the time when trains, buses, or planes leave.
Leave and arrive.
Leave and arrive.
Leave and arrive.
Leave and arrive.
Competition.
Competition. An event in which people try to win a prize by being the best, faster, else.
Okay, an event. An event. What happened?
My battery is error.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Right. Delay. Delay.
Like a period of time in which you have to wait longer than you thought for something to happen.
Available.
Available. Able to be used or brought.
Return.
Return. Give something back to a person.
Give something back to a person. Okay. Timetable competition.
Thời gian chuyển cạnh tranh có sẵn kỳ khoản trở lại.
Or like. Okay. Part 2, collect.
Collect, keep things of one type together.
The rest.
The rest, the other things that are people that someone hasn't spoken about.
Save.
Save, keep something to use in the future.
Gardening.
Gardening, the activity of working in a garden, looking after the plant.
Hard.
Hard, difficult to do something.
Snowboarding.
Snowboarding, the spot where people had to move over so using a snowboard.
Licked. The rest save.
Hi, teacher.
Hello, Annie.
Phúc thật, tuần còn lại, tiết kiệm, làm vườn, trồng Tết.
Okay. Mintu, you've done test 7, right? Let's do test 8 then. Okay, let's talk about transport. Mintu, what types of transport do you usually use?
The type of transport I usually do
Is
back,
what?
the back,
A bus. Hmm?
the bike,
A bike. Oh, okay. And you, Anine, what transport do you usually use?
The transport that I usually use is motorbike.
Okay. Anine, how long does it take you to get to school? How long does it take you to get to school?
About 8 minutes. I take
It takes me
to college.
oh, sorry, what?
About 8 minutes. I take to get to college.
To college.
College.
Okay. It takes me about 8 minutes to get to college. Okay, and Mintu, how long does it take you to get to college or to school?
It takes me about 5 minutes to get to school because it's near my house.
Okay, Mintu, how do you go to the shops? How do you go to the shops? Hmm? I usually
I usually use bicycle to go to the shop.
use your what?
The bicycle.
And you, Anyin? How do you go to the shops? I can't hear you. Your microphone is off.
I normally use mom car.
Can you drive already?
No, my mom drive
Oh,
to get to the shop.
okay. So, I usually go with my mom in her car. Or, wait. Anyin, what type of transport do you usually use on weekdays? I think that's the same as the first question. What types of transport do you usually use? I mean, the transport that I usually use is a motorbike. So I think let's leave that one out. I'm going to ask you, tell me something about your favorite type of transport. What is your favorite type of transport?
My favorite transport is a
My
motorbike.
favorite, just my favorite type of transport.
My favorite type of transport is a motorbike because it's useful and convenient travel and uh, make me not tired.
Okay. Do you want to add anything or are you happy with that answer? Anyin,
Yes.
are you happy with that answer, or do you want to add anything to that?
Yes.
You happy?
Yes.
Minchu, what about you? Tell me
My
about your
favorite-
favorite type of transport.
My favorite type of transport is a car because it is it looks very beautiful and expensive.
Okay. How often do you use a car? Hmm? How often do you use a car?
You
Like every day or on weekends, or you only use a car when you want to go to like a big mall or a big city? When do you use a car?
use car. I use car every day.
Okay. Right. Okay, Min, and what types of transport do you usually use? Anyin, what
Yes.
types of transport do you usually use?
The transport that I usually use is a motorbike.
And how long does it take you to get to college?
It takes me about 8 minutes to get to college.
And how do you go to the shops?
I normally use my uh, we normally go to the shops in my mom's car.
And tell me something about your favorite type of transport.
My favorite type of transport is by motorbike. It is a very useful and convenient way to travel. Don't get tired when I am on a motorbike.
Okay. Minchu, what types of transport do you usually use?
The transport that I usually use is a bus.
And how long does it take you to get to school?
It takes me about 5 minutes to get to school because it is near my house.
Near my house.
Near my house.
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 Can you see the difference between how and house?
Yes.
So it is near my
House.
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 How do you get to the shops?
I normally use my bicycle to get to the shop.
And tell me something about your favorite types of transport.
My favorite type of transport is by car. I think cars can be very beautiful but also expensive. I travel by car almost every day.
Okay. Anine, what job would you like to do in the future?
In the future, I like doing a doctor.
You would like to be a doctor.
To be a doctor.
Okay. Let me just. I would like to become a doctor. Minchu, what about you?
When I'm older, I want to become a soccer, soccer player.
Minchu, what do you like about your job now? You don't have a job now. Do you have a job?
Mm,
Do you have a job now?
No,
Okay, so what do you like about school? What do you like about school? Hmm? Do you like anything about school or don't you like school?
school because
I can't hear you.
I like learning at school because it has a lot of friends. I can play a lot with them.
And you, Anyin, what do you like about school?
I like uh
Do you like anything about school?
I like drawing at school.
Okay. Anyin, what's the worst part of school? What don't you like? What is the worst part of school? Like
Is same lesson.
the what?
Is same lesson.
What lesson?
What was part? What is what part?
Vâng, tôi đã từ trường học là gì?
I think
All the homework?
no.
Uh,
We use a lot of curry,
a lot of what?
curry instead.
What is that?
Um,
We use a lot of? Did you write something in the chat? Okay. Mm. Minchu, what about you?
I don't like school because it have
I can't
lot
hear
of
you. You need to speak up. I have no idea what you're saying. You don't like?
I don't like the homework because I need to do it
You need to do it?
a lot.
Okay. Okay. Minchu, what kind of work don't you like? Okay, so when you are older, what job don't you want to do? What don't you want to become?
I don't like to um become pilot.
A what?
Pilot.
A pilot. Okay. And you, Anyin? What job would you not? Do you know? Oh, do you have a problem with your Wi-Fi?
I would like home teacher.
A teacher. Yeah, it's hard
Yeah.
work. So I'm just gonna,
Because the student be tired,
because,
the children make me tired.
yes, and they give you gray hair.
You talk over.
Okay, Anyin, you don't have a job, so maybe tell me something that you have done in school that you are proud of. Like, did you win an award, or did they make you class leader, or
Yes.
something that you are proud of? A sports achievement? Nothing? No? Okay. Minchu, do you have anything? Any achievement that you are proud of?
No,
Hmm?
no.
No. Okay. Minchu, what would you like to become when you are older? What
When I'm
job would you
older,
like in the future? Hmm?
when I'm older, I would like to become a
Professional?
professional soccer player.
Okay. And what do you like about school?
I I like learning at school and also playing with my friends.
Okay. And what's the worst part of school?
I don't like all the homework we get. It takes up a lot of my free time.
And what kind of job would you not like to do one day?
I would then like becoming a pilot one day.
Anyin, what job would you like to do in the future?
Um, when I'm older and done with school, I would like to become a doctor.
Okay. And what do you like about school?
I like the fact and I am growing to become an adult in school.
Adult, to become an adult in
Adult,
school.
adult,
Adult.
adult.
Okay. What's the worst part of school?
I don't like all the theory
Theory?
that we have
Theory?
theory theory that we have to learn with in school.
Okay. And what kind of job would you not like to do?
I would like to become a teacher one day because I think that teaching can be very tiring and you have to repeat the same lessons over and over, it can get very boring.
Right. Min9, what types of transport do you usually use?
The transport I usually use is a bus.
Okay, and how long does it take you to get to school?
It it takes me about 5 minutes to get to school because it is near my house.
And how do you go to the shops?
I use bicycle to go to the
I
shop.
normally
I normally use bicycle.
I normally use my bicycle.
I normally buy bike.
I normally use my bicycle.
I normally use my bicycle to go to the shop.
Okay, and what tell me something about your favorite type of transport.
The type of transport I usually use on weekdays.
No, what's your favorite type of transport?
My favorite type of transport is a car because I think it looks beautiful, but it's also expensive. I travel by car almost every day.
Nyien, what types of transport do you usually use?
The transport, other type of transport I usually use is motorbike.
And how long does it take you to get to college?
About 8 minutes. Uh, um, take me to
It
get
takes me
to.
about it takes me
It take
about
me it take me about 8 minutes to get to work. To get to college.
to get to college. And how do you go to the shops?
I normally use my mom's car uh,
To go
uh, to go to
to the
the
shops.
shops.
Tell me something about your favorite type of transport.
Uh, um,
My favorite.
my favorite type of transport is motorbike because it make me it
It's very
it
useful.
don't is useful and don't be tired.
It's very useful and convenient. It's a very
And
useful
convenient,
way to
useful
travel.
ways to travel.
I don't get tired.
I don't tired.
I don't get tired
I don't get tired
when I'm on a motorbike.
when I'm on a motorbike.
Okay. Anyin, what job would you like in the future?
Um, I would to become
I would like to.
to in the future I would like to become a doctor.
And what do you like about school?
Uh, about your job?
What do you like
Um,
about school?
uh, uh, I like drawing.
I like the fact that
I like the fact of growing
I'm growing,
adult,
to become
that I'm growing to become adult,
an adult
uh, an adult
in school.
is cool.
Okay, what don't you like about school? What's the worst part?
Um, is uh theory, theory.
Okay, I don't like all the theory
I don't like all the theory
that we have to
that we have to
learn
learn.
in school.
Is in school.
And what job would you not like to do? What job don't you want to do?
I wouldn't lie is teacher because uh teaching is I think teaching is make me uh tiring and the lesson over and over.
I wouldn't like to become a teacher one day. I
I
wouldn't like to
wouldn't
become a teacher one day
I wouldn't like to become a teacher one day
because I think
because I think uh the
that
lesson
teaching
over
that
the
teaching can be,
teachings call me tiring and lesson over
and
and over
you have to give the same lessons,
and you have you think
and you
the
have to
lessons
give and you have to give
you have to give
the same
you
lessons,
the same lesson over and over
and it can get
and I can get
and it
the
can get
teacher.
boring,
I can get more
and it can
boring.
get very boring. Okay. Menchu, what job would you like to do in the future?
When I'm older, I would like to be
To become a
like to become a pro-
professional
professional soccer player.
Okay. What do you like about school?
I like school because if have I can playing with a lot
I
of
like learning at school and also playing.
I like learning at school and also playing with my friends.
Okay. What don't you like about school?
I don't like the homework at school
I don't
because
like all the homework we get.
I don't like other homework we get at
It
school.
takes up a lot of my
It takes up a lot of my free time.
And what job don't you want to do one day?
I worked on like worked on try to become a pilot one day.
Okay. In this part of the test, we only have 4 minutes left, so we're just going to look at the pictures. Here are some pictures that show different jobs people do at home. And you have to tell me if you like the different jobs or if you don't and why. Okay, so we've got cooking. Okay, let's start. Mintu, how do you feel about cooking? Do you like it or don't you like it?
I like cooking because when I cooking
Because
so I cooking because when I cook finish I can eat eat all the food and and
okay. And you, Anyin, what about you? How do you feel about cooking?
I like cooking because when I cook, I very relaxing. I very relaxed, and I can create many dishes. Then I enjoy it.
Okay. What about looking after pets? Anyin?
Uh,
Actually, let's leave that for next time because I would like you both to answer and we are running out of time now. Mintu, are you happy with your lesson?
yes.
Anyin, are you happy?
sure.
Sure. Okay. We'll carry on with this next time. Okay. Thank you so much.
Good-
Maybe you
Goodbye,
can look
teacher.
at all these different jobs and think what you would like to say about them. Okay. All
Okay.
right. Thank you. Goodbye.
See you again.
Bye.